Welcome to my channel, Dola Chick. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you see, smash the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel, Dola Chick. And today we are going to make peshkel. For this recipe, this is all we need: water, flour, yeast and soda. Don't put the soda in the dough because we use this for later. And olive oil for frying the peshkel. I know, this is all we need. There is no sugar, no salt, no milk, no eggs. When my mom told me about this recipe, I was like, oh my mother. It sounds so boring. I didn't expect it would be so delicious. Trust me, it's really, really good. And it's similar to donuts or flat Dutch oliebollen. So let's begin. Put the yeast in the flour. Put it in the water. The dough should be hard, so don't put too much water in it. I just finished with the kneading and let it rest until it doubles in size. It depends on the room temperature. It can be a half hour or 1 hour. And cover it with a wet towel or plastic foil or with a wrap. I'm going to heat up the oil for the peshkel. And I use a little bit of oil for processing the dough. But first of all, I'm going to heat it up. In the meanwhile, the dough is ready. It doubles in size. Now flatten it. Put it on the bottom in the pan. This is soda. Put the soda on the dough like this. Take a hand of flour and put it on the dough. To check if the oil is hot enough, you can use a bamboo or wood skewer and put it in the oil. You will see light bubbles. The oil is hot enough. Now put the oil in the dough. Put it very gentle and very carefully in the dough. It's now very hot, so use the spoon to mix it. The dough is now cold enough, so I use my hands to mix it. It's very soft. It's like sponge. In the meanwhile, check the oil. And when the oil is hot enough, turn the fire down to the low heat. And take a piece of dough, make it into a form what you want, and fry it right away. To get the hardness, you have to knead the dough a little bit, so you can get the form what you want. I'm going to make it round. The thickness of the dough you can decide it by yourself. I'm going to make 2 slices. It's better for frying. The first one is ready. Second one is ready. And if you like, you can put a little bit sugar on it. Finish the rest of the dough. You can make it into any form. Pushkal is ready. I hope you like this recipe. You can combine pushkal with milk tea, with salad, and sometimes with soup. I hope you like it. And if you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel and see you next week. Bye!